Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Logan again, here with 100 days of option trades. This is episode 8, I think. I think it's episode 8, but today's date is July 15th, 2021. It's a Thursday. Let's go check the news for today. Zoop. Shrink me on down. Let's get the news pulled over to this side. So S&P, we're a little bit in the red, 0.25%. Dow's basically breaking even. Nasdaq's down 0.5%. Stock futures dip amid earnings. China GDP miss, so some companies' earnings aren't so great. Here's the top gainers of today. A bunch of companies I don't really know. Top losers, kind of the same thing. Oh man, Spice Virgin. It's all the way down to 32. You guys remember I bought that $45 put, but it was only 1 day expiration. So if I would have bought that for this week expiration, would have made some nice money. Some very nice money. We can even go look at it if you want. Let's see. SPCE. Let's go to options. Say if we're looking at a put for tomorrow, I had the $45 put. Woo-wee! Can't even buy it on here. It would have been so high. Let's just click on this $42 one just to see what it's kind of done. Just because I'm curious. This is straight out of curiosity. Oh man, yeah, this would have gone from $2 to $9. Ooh. Ooh. That would have been nice. That would be last, what would we do? Thursday the 9th, so we'd have bought it about 240. I probably would have sold it here at 440 to be honest, but yeah, that would have been real nice, man. Next time we'll do that. Um, yeah, there's the news. Let's go back to the news. Sorry about that. Got distracted. Jobless claims fell to pandemic lows. Awesome. Only 360,000 filed for claims. That's awesome. Stock journal. Today is the 7/15/21. Sorry about that. Little text and message. Here's what we have open. We have these 4 open actually. Heartland, Martin, Palantir, and Twitter. Let's go check these out. So I think Heartland. Let's go to account, positions. Twitter, we're up. We bought this for what, 385 bucks? We're already up almost $200, so that's awesome. Palantir, not so hot. And both the Martin and Heartland calls are down today. I guess earnings didn't go so well, huh? Oh, cool. You can just click this E for earnings. I didn't know that in Etrade, but well, that would have been nice to click this before and see option implied move is only 1%. So not my best trade here. Actual move is actually a little bit higher, closer to 2%. So we're gonna wait and see on these earnings. And look at Martin's actually at a 5%. So yeah, let's see what happens. These are coming in. This one's post market. Wow, I did not know you could do this in E-Trade. This is actually kind of a dope feature. Let's throw me up here. Yeah, here's what I'm looking at down here. So you have the implied dollar range, IV, historical move 2%. This is actually kind of dope. I really wish I would have known this. Let's go check Twitter just for fun. So check Twitter out. You're looking at a 10 to 15% move. The last one in April was down. This one was positive, and the one before that was negative, positive, negative. So it's just kind of alternating, negative, positive, negative, positive. So we're on the put side here for Twitter. Oh, dude, Twitter's down to 68 bucks. That means we are absolutely crushing this one. It's worth $560. We have this, so let's say if I just theoretically sold it, make 175 bucks, not bad. Risking 110. What do you guys think? Close it, leave it open? I think I'm gonna leave it open. We're gonna let it ride. Got another week on it. Actually, oh, I don't know, man. Let's close it. Let's close it. We'll do 565. If it hits that, it hits that. So I didn't have enough shares available, so I already had orders on this. So you're gonna go to Twitter and you're gonna cancel this. And now you're gonna preview this, and it should let you sell it. So this is queued, open. We'll see if it gets filled. Pretty good profit there. Heartland. Just cancel the Heartland. Palantirs are open. Let's just close out the Heartland calls, I guess. We're not making any money on these. Martin, we're gonna leave open because they have post market. Heartland, we're gonna close. What are they selling for? 5 cents. Preview. Send. Queued, open. Yeah, so hopefully those fill. What do we want to trade today, boys and girls? What do we want to trade? Any idea? Sorry, I don't know what to trade, man. This is kind of what happens when you're trading every day, I guess. Normally I don't force trades and don't trade every day, but I am today. Let's go check the SPY. It's down 0.5%. Let's get a 1 day to expiration. Nah, that's too bougie for me. That's too bougie. July 21st, next week. To July 23rd, next Friday. This gives us 8 days. Even these are kind of pricey. The calls lost 21% today. Check the studies. So let's go ahead and check the RSI. You're kind of getting in the lows here. Yeah, let's buy a call. Let's buy this call option. 436 call. It's got open interest of 10,000. You're down 70. Oh, 435 call actually. We'll buy one of these. Market price, preview, send. So hopefully, oh cool. 435 call was executed at 296. So let's plug that in the sheet. SPY, July 23, 435 call one. What did I buy for? 296. Check my iPad. Yeah, 296. Expires next week, so that is definitely a risky trade, but we're gonna see what happens. Looks like my Twitter call sold. Let me check my notifications on my iPad here. It's just easier to read E-Trade on this. Twitter sold at 565, so we can update the chart with that one. 565. Let's do manual exit. It's a dub. These are both going to be losses. These are both losses. I don't know, what do we sell it for? 0.05. Oh, we didn't sell the Martin yet, but it'll probably be a loss. So let's just assume that's a loss for now. Or we'll leave it open. Palantir open. This one is open today. Let's set the stop at 2. So to set a stop on this, you're going to click this, close. One cancels the other. It's the type of order you're going to do here. Let's put it right in the middle so you can see. So the limit price, I want to sell it at 485. And I want to stop it at 2.0. Preview. Send. So I'm risking 95 bucks to make 150. 180. Cool. So yeah, let's go check the positions. So we have the Heartland call. This hasn't closed yet. I'll close it tomorrow if I have to. Martin call. The earnings come in after hours. Probably lose money on that. We made some good money on Twitter. And yeah, we entered into a SPY call option for next week. So let's check the total profit here. Total profit so far, you can see right here is $396 and done 11 trades. We've only won 36%, so 1/3. Yeah, we've only won 1/3, but our average winner is 183 bucks, average loser 64. So we're making more money than we're losing, which is nice. And yeah, sorry. We're gonna go from there and see how tomorrow goes. Tomorrow's Friday. As usual, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. If you want to see any stocks, I'm kind of running out of ideas what to trade here, so that's why I traded the SPY. Let's just see how many SPYs I've traded. SPY. I've done 8 trades in the SPY. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know where I got 8 from. I got 6 trades in the SPY out of 11, so we're just gonna keep plugging away, guys, and see what happens. Check out my blog if you want to, midnight-finances.com. It's where I write articles about investing, business, like starting an LLC, side hustles, saving money. So yeah, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.